You can make black soup without palm nuts. Usually we use palm nut to make black soup, but in this video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can make your black soup without palm nut. So here are the meat I'm going to be using to make this soup. I have some cow leg as usual, cow beef, cow tripe, and I also have some cow skin. Everything is inside those pots. I've already steamed them. And here are some dry fish. I have my stock fish, dry fish, and I've already washed them. I parboiled my stock fish so that it will be soft. And I have my crayfish, my ogiriokpe, my seasoning cube, my banana pepper, onions, and here are the leaves I'm going to be using to make this black soup. Here is some fresh curry leaf, oziza leaf, and a bewewe leaf. That one they used to call it a bewewe in Benin. If you are from Benin, you know the leaf I'm talking about. Is they normally use it for black soup, okay? A bewewe leaf and a fresh bitter leaf. And here is my palm oil, okay? Because I'm going to be making use of palm oil, not palm nuts, because normally we use palm nut to make black soup, but I just want to use palm oil. And this is the first time I'm going to be making this black soup with palm oil. So guys, please, if you're watching video to this point, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, because in this video you're going to be learning a lot of things, okay? So I add my pot on the fire, and then I'm going to shiver the meat stock, pour it inside those pots, and then I'm going to be adding my stuff one after the other, okay? If you're watching from YouTube, please make sure you give it also a thumbs up and try to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It motivates me to create more videos, okay? Support me by subscribing, turn notification bell when you subscribe, and also don't forget to drop your thoughts, what you think about the video, okay? Thank you so much. So right now I added the meat stock inside those four, added the dry fish so that everything will cook together, and then at the end of the day they will be soft, okay? So after I added it, I allowed it to cook for like 1 minute, and then I'm going to add my palm oil. I will add my palm oil, and then I'm going to be adding the other things one after the other. So if you're watching from Facebook, please don't forget to give you a thumbs up. It helps Facebook to suggest my video to other pages, okay? Drop your thoughts, what you think about the video. Don't just watch and go. You liking the video and following my page, it helped me to create more videos. That's the only way you can support me. Thank you all so much, okay? So here is my onion, my banana pepper, and all the leaf I've made sure before. I have my, let me call them again. I have my fresh bitter leaf, my fresh curry leaf, I have my dry oziza leaf, and then I also have my dry scent leaf, and then I have this leaf they call a bewewe. Bini people, they call it a bewewe, okay? So I'll blend everything together, and then I'm going to be adding it inside those pots, okay? And then I will give it a stir to allow it to cook together. So guys, I'm going to leave you all here to watch the rest of the video. Thank you all so much for being here. Thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for always watching my video. For those of you that always come back to watch my video, I really appreciate every one of you. If you are a new follower, you are a new subscriber, you are a new viewer, thank you also too. So see you all in my next one. Make sure you watch video to the end. Enjoy the rest of the video, okay? Thank you all so much. Bye.